Are you looking for relief from back pain caused by a herniated disc? Try yoga. Extending the back in cobra pose helps to relieve pain caused from a herniated disc. Move slowly and carefully, only moving deeper if you can do so with comfort. Please remember to consult your physician before starting any new practice. We'll start lying onto the belly. Take the elbows underneath the shoulders. Inhale, lift the chest, and keep the hips and the belly relaxed onto the mat. Now it's important here to see how you feel. If this puts any strain on your lower back, then you can walk the elbows out and then rest the forehead onto the arms. If this feels comfortable, you can take it a step further by bringing the elbows in and lifting the chest. If this feels really good, then you can even come onto the palms and then lift the chest up a little bit more. Allow the belly and the hips to stay relaxed.